Trying to halt start for good time. Do it again. Again. Wow. I think your nozzle on your ether can's fucked up. Oh. Try one more time. Nope. Let it sit. Trying to get this one going. The one back there, oh, try not to get it wet. Back there, if it will focus, probably not because it's dark as hell out. Started like a champ. Ugh. They've both been sitting, wow, that one's been sitting longer. We got to pull the motor, the tranny, brake parts and shit out of the one that's, hey, look at that, back there. And this one likes to run like it's a carbureted, even though it's fuel injected, but whatever. Go. No. Oh, the door's frozen?
Push button's frozen.
Oh, well, hold on.
No, I don't want to move it.
No, you don't gotta move it. It's good to let them run. There you go. A little tap. Oh, it's snowy and slushy and nasty. That, is it 91?
88.
88.
7.5 liter 460.
Yeah, 460 big block. It's an 88. Oh, wow. And it's got no exhaust. It's older than this one. This one's in 90? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Okay. Go. Go. Wow. Cranky bitch. You guys can't see shit. It'll go. Trying. There it goes. No exhaust. Right off the headers on this one. Alright, so we got, although we shut that one down. That one didn't have to move, but we got that one moved. Finally. Was that in 2, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I kind of thought so. So, yeah, that's a noisy bitch, as you guys have heard, or now heard. And this one in here, I've been here not even an hour, my feet are already frozen. But this one, we gotta yank the motor, transmission, computer, wiring harness, and brake paraphernalia, I suppose. from what I understand, this one has seen better days, many better days. We've got, oh geez, I'm not too sure if I can show you. If you can, oh Jesus. Come on, camera. Yeah, you guys should be able to see that. There's 373, 131.1 on this one. And I've already replaced the transmission in this one once. I did the transmission in this one once. Oh, really? Wow. Apparently the door doesn't shut anymore either. Oh, Christ. I think that went. I think it went. Yep, it went. So we're just gonna set you guys. You won't be able to see it. It's okay. Jeepers. Freaking wet. So, yeah, we got to pull the motor out, which is the same motor that's in my truck, just a little older. This one's actually got distributor in the back. So yeah, we got to yank this out. So we'll probably end up pulling the whole front clip off because it's probably going to be easier to do it that way. Anyways, and we got to pull the computer out, which sits, if you can see it, right there, right behind that red wire. That's where the computer sits, if memory serves correct. If not, it's under the dash. I'm pretty sure it's right there. I know on the newer ones it is. So, but yeah, so for the record, if anybody in my neck of the woods, which is London, Ontario, is looking for an older vehicle, if you need any parts off this one, this is a 92 Ford Ranger. There's a 88 F350. Hey, what year is that Ranger with the Chevy motor? 94 Ranger with a 350 Chevy. Step side, that one is, or Splash, or whatever they called them. Hold on, let me turn this around here. There's that one. There's that 80 or the 91 Ranger that we were trying to get going there in the beginning of the video. That's 4x4. A lot of work done to that one, but she's ready to hit the road. 89 or 90 it is. 2.9 V6. The F350 is a 460 V8 big block with a 5-speed. That one needs a clutch. The 354, that's just a toy. There is, he's actually backing it in now. If I can get, I believe that's a 96. 7? Okay, 97. Grand Dam. That one's for sale. 3.1 or 3.8? 3.1 or 3.8? 3.1 V6 auto, of course. They're always auto. So, but they're all for sale. Well, actually, technically, including this one, if the price is right. The rear end's out of it. Dumbass decided to blow up the rear end. But it is being rebuilt. Have you got that back yet? No. Okay, well, it's not back yet, but it's being rebuilt for a second time. It's got all new line or brake lines on it. He's got the valve cover gaskets to do on it if he hasn't done so already. No, he hasn't done that yet. But it's a 3.4 V6, 3.4 V6, dual overhead cam, 2 cams per side. It's got a remote start on it. Yeah, it's just, I'll crack the door. It's got some shit in it, but yeah, those are the intake gaskets, and then, oops, intake gaskets, valve cover gaskets, and this little paraphernalia, some O-rings, and what have you. But It is 5-speed 4x4 on the floor. 331,846 on the odometer. It does have a automatic rear diff lock and clutch no start button, which is kind of cool. Just remember, don't leave it in gear. But yeah, very clean. Literally everything works. Sunroof works. Back window works as far as I know. The rear window here goes up and down. I think it works. Tailgate's been replaced. The old one was garbage. He does have the running boards for it, in case you're curious. So yeah, if any of you guys are looking for a vehicle, then yeah, give me a shout if you're in the area of London, Ontario, and we can talk a little bit more in detail. It is a, for the record, it's a 97, I think this is. 97 or 98 Toyota 4Runner. You'll never kill these engines. Well, I shouldn't say you never will. 06 of 97, so technically speaking, it's a 98. Oh, here comes that Ranger with the 350. So you guys will see it runs. It needs a little bit of motor work. Yeah, there you are there. Yeah, it needs a little bit of motor work. Not that it's leaking or anything, it's just doesn't run. What's this one need again, Nate?
Power steering.
Power, yeah, but it's just a toy, really.
Yeah.
Wasn't there someone in the motor? It doesn't. There might be a vacuum leak or something. It's a bit of a bitch if it's been sitting too long. It is a 4-barrel. I'm trying to think. Yeah, it is auto. 4-speed auto, I think. Probably. I think it's a 4-speed auto. Something out of a Chevy truck, any rate. S10, probably. It actually, it runs well. No, it's not just smoking, it's just stupidly cold out right now. We're getting some snow and blowing snow and shit. Everything works inside. Oh, manual mirrors. Or windows, sorry. That truck, everything is manual on it. Oh, it is a posi rear end. I should make note of that. Oh. Keep coming. Keep coming. I'd call it right about there. So it's got a, you got interior light in this? Maybe? Sort of. It's got like a Hearst style locking shifter. It's a little retarded. There you go. It's a little retarded. The gauges have been screwed around with. Unnecessary tack, as far as I'm concerned. Unnecessary. And then just 3 gauges down there. But everything works. Oh yeah, and you get a fancy, if it's, there you go. Those are just 4 cigarette lighters, which he's wired in, I believe hardwired. But nothing fancy, it's just a toy. The diff has been, well, it's not a factory posi, we'll go with that. I think. Oh, you can't see shit. Well, it's got an unnecessary blower on it. And it's just a 350 V8, nothing fancy. So, but they're all for sale, guys. Every single last one of them. So, if you're in the area, give me a shout, and I'll contact you.